But as y'all can see from the title, of course, Curlkit finally sent me my subscription box after 3 long months. So, what's up, DV? Gang, 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 gang. First and foremost, I want to apologize for being gone for a week. I am running a second channel, so I'm trying to get my family channel up and running, but I just filmed a mukbang on that channel, so definitely go over there, check it out, subscribe, like, and all that good jazz. So yeah, this is going to be my final unboxing of this Curlkit subscription box. I wasn't even going to do this video, but I'm just gonna do it. So y'all, so guys, if you have not yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment and join the DB gang. My last video that I did of my Curlkit unboxing, I did state that if it had to come down to it, I will file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau. And that's exactly what I did. After filing my complaint, in between time, Bill was contacting Curlkit to, figure out what was going to be done, that they need to either refund me my money or send me a replacement package ASAP. Last person that took care of my matter that I spoke to, her name was Michaela, something like that. It starts with an M. I would have to go back and check all my old emails from when I was emailing them. But she went and she turned my email address into a CC, make it a high priority. Y'all contacted Curlkit before via email and the person name popped up as an M, McKay. Y'all know who I'm talking about. But once she did that, it took like a couple of days, maybe a week or two. I don't know. I would have to check my emails to give y'all exact dates, but I'm not doing all of that because this is the last time that I will be doing Curlkit on this channel. The Saturday that I was filming our first family vlog, that was the day that I actually got an email from the person. It's Zen Desk Admin. He was basically saying like, oh, your email went into my spam. I'm sorry, just now reaching out, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to drop your Curlkit package in the mail today. So I was like, okay, great. Thank you. Send me out the tracking information so I could track it. He never respond back. The person never respond back about almost a whole week later. Until today, y'all. The person was like, oh, I seen your package was delivered on such and such date, but this is the tracking number. If you seen my package was delivered, why would you still send me the tracking information? But whatever, I'm just glad that I received this replacement kit so I could just put Curlkit behind me because I am so over them. Why does it take 3 months to send a replacement package? I don't understand. So yeah, guys, this is how Curlkit box come. I'm just gonna open it up and let's see how. Okay, it's pretty much ripped right here on the side. Whatever. Oh, okay. As always, the magazine pamphlet is in the box. Okay. So, first and foremost, from the time I've received my packages from Curlkit, none of my products was taped. All these products in this box are literally taped. So it makes me feel like they just threw this box together and just shipped it out with no care in the world. I'm going to show you guys how this look. So this is how it's looking. Hopefully y'all can see the tape. So the first item, y'all see this tape? I hope y'all could see this. Let me do it like this. Do y'all see the tape? Do y'all see the tape on it? I really hope y'all can see this tape, because it just makes me feel like they just threw this stuff in the box and they didn't have no care in the world. But the first thing that I see in this box taped up, the Eden Body Works Hydration Custard, and it is hibiscus and honey. I never used a custard before. Every time I try and do a wash and go, it becomes a wash and fail. So I'm curious to see how this little product works. I can't even freaking open it because it has so much damn tape on it. Whatever. So the next item that I see, the line Queen's Magic Hair, and it is the Crown Growth Oil. This also is taped up. Lord Jesus. This is also a growth oil, so I'm super excited to try this and see how it works. I'm all about the oils and, you know, growing out my hair, so I'm excited about that. The product that I received was the Cream of Nature Argan Oil, and this is the sulfate-free moisturizing and shine shampoo. I do use the leave-in conditioner, so I'm super excited to see how the shampoo works, even though I don't like to use shampoo that much in my hair, but it's whatever. The next item is the Cream of Nature Straight from Eden, and it's the plant-derived replenishing oil. And it looks like this. Back in the day, everybody was raving about this stuff, and I was like, I'm gonna try it, and never tried it. So I'm super excited to be trying it out now. I am going to take it out the box, for this is the only item that is not taped. So this is how it looks out the box. It looks like a little perfume, super cute. And I heard this oil is very lightweight, so I'm super excited to try that out. That goes there. So the next item that I see is the Stick Black, and it's the Novec. And this is a deep hair mask. And it has no parabens, no sulfates, and stuff like that in it. So I'm excited to try this because I did want to try other hair masks. So I will be doing a review to see how this works. And last but not least, this is a repeated item. I wish they would have put something else in the box, but whatever. And this is taped up as well. And it is just the Lotta Body Control Me Edge Gel in black. And this does really smells really good. But I'm not a big fan of edge control because I do sweat it out. So this probably won't be really put to use. But it's whatever. Somebody gonna need edge gel one day. One day I probably need edge gel. So edge controls, whatever. So guys, these is basically the items that I got in the box. So guys, I did get 6 items. It's really a bummer that I won't be continuing with Curlkit. It really is a bummer. Like, I really wish the customer service was just better. Like, if their customer service was better, I wouldn't have it. I did come across another subscription type natural hair thing, so I'm super excited to show you guys that on this channel and give y'all my honest opinion on those products. Y'all, like I always say, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say, always be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.